Okay, so let's talk about the gas station pills for male sexual function. So I'm going to go on record saying that I am against these. I don't think there's any role for them. A lot of guys like them because they often work for what they're looking for them for, and they're easy to get. They're cheap, and you don't need to go to a doctor's office. The issue with these is that they're not at all regulated. So nobody really knows what is in them. Probably a lot of the times they do have some Viagra or Cialis, potentially some testosterone or other things in there that do have a real effect. So they can often get the job done. But again, you wouldn't want to put something in your body without knowing what it is. You should, if you want to get these medicines to improve your sexual performance, you should just get an appointment with a urologist who will prescribe them for you. We're not stingy with these. If you feel like it would help you, then we'll prescribe it for you at the appropriate dose, and we can increase the dose as needed. And that way you can get the real medicine that you want in a safe way, and everybody knows what medicine you're taking. If you're shy or don't want the inconvenience of scheduling an appointment with a urologist, there's plenty of online services like 𝐊𝐻IMS that you can go to and write whatever you want, and they will send you the medicines. And those are the real medicines coming from those websites. They're usually some combination of sildenafil or tadalafil that work to help with male sexual function. And there may be some downsides to not physically seeing a doctor, but it's much better to do it that way than to just get some unknown pill from the gas station. Same thing with the testosterone. You don't really want to be taking testosterone unless you have low testosterone to begin with. And if you do take testosterone, you need to have somebody that's monitoring your blood counts and all the other labs that can change with testosterone replacement. Because if this stuff is taken without monitoring those things, there can be some serious health effects from it. Some people want to take testosterone supplements even though they don't technically have a low testosterone. You can find men's health clinics that will be okay with that they will give you some testosterone to boost your numbers if they're kind of in the low normal range. And that's okay too. There's pros and cons of that, but at least there are healthcare providers that are monitoring you either way. So I really think the gas station pills have no role. They're basically for people who want a quick solution that's cheap and can give an effect, but they're dangerous. They're not monitored, and really, if you care at all about your health, you would not go that route. You would go a more responsible route and get a real medicine to do what you're looking to do.